psychological authenticity.
All right, can you go a little more? We appreciate philosophy. We are not trying to appreciate philosophy and philosophical language and philosophical questioning. We are appreciating. We are not dogmatizing. Dogmatizing means this is this and nothing else. I have never said. We are appraising ourselves about philosophy. Philosophy, philosophical language and philosophical questioning. And philosophical questioning put in philosophical language can either solve or not solve only in philosophy class. It cannot be done by any science. If science says it is pseudo, we are prepared for fight. It's a sowing. It's not a pseudo question. It is a question. Why pseudo question? Now, let us see it from another angle. The first reaction to knowledge is dogmatism. First reaction to knowledge is dogmatism, which we may call as common sense. Knowledge by common sense. And that is the dogmatic level. By common sense, you should not forget that common sense is a very uncommon thing. Many people do not have common sense also. What is a common sense? It appears as if everybody knows. But it has been found out that common sense is also an uncommon thing. It is not a common thing. So that is dogmatic state. You must speak the truth. Why? Father said, so shall you practice. This is dogmatism and this is stage which is common sense level. Suppose a man says, I will not speak the truth. Arey, you don't have common sense. That is how teacher says. Sir, why shall I speak the truth? Arey, don't you have the common sense? That means that knowledge is derived from common sense. Common sense means common to father and son or to society. Common sense को philosophy. ଆଉ ଉଡ଼ିବାକୁ ତ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଏରୋପ୍ଲେନ୍ରେ ଆରେ ଓଏ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ପରା ଅଛି ପାଖରେ ମୁଁ କୁଆଡ଼େ ପଳେଇଲି ନା କ'ଣ impatience କାହିଁକି ହଁ ହେଲା କହିବି. So this is common sense, first level dogmatism. You ask why. The first dynamite you put is why? Dangerous. Suppose to the teacher you say, I will speak truth. Why? The question mark. এটা ভগবতী কটুরি ভଳିଆ ନୁହଁ question mark. ভগবতী ଯେଉଁ କଟୁରୀ ଧରି ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା? Once you saw Bhagavati Katuri, most of the things will melt. Bhagavati ଧରିଛି ହାତରେ ଥରେ ଯଦି why ପଚାରିଦେଲ push you and push you and push you onward. So going beyond dogmatism depends upon your capability of asking why. Going beyond dogmatism depends on your capability to ask. এই ସକାଶେ political science ରେ এইଭଳି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ହତ୍ୟା କରାଯାଏ. ସେ କହିବେ obey the state. Why? You don't obey the state? Oh, I obey or do not obey. I want to ask why. So they kill him. It is very difficult to thrive with using why. Why is a dangerous dynamite in you. Not so much what, not so much how. See things. What, how, and why. What is not that dangerous? Why? It's a dynamite also. Then dynamite is explosion. And second is how. How is also not that bad. But why? Trenchantly philosophical. Professor has in his book distinguished how. So that why, once you ask why, in your mind you remember it is Bhagavati Katuri. Nothing can survive. So, from dogmatic condition, you give answers. And that will take you to speculative stage. When you go on giving answers, depend that dogmatic stage, that will give you speculative stage. गोटे कहबी केमती speculative नब तुम्हें सत्य कहवा उचित. You have to speak the truth. Why? Because it is written in the Vedas. Why should I obey Vedas? Because it is from the mouth of Brahma. Who is Brahma and why? Now he is the beginning, he is the forefather of everybody. Now see the speculation. Once you ask why, that hard thing will melt. Dogmatism will melt. And that it will flow in all directions. Other people will say this. Unless you speak the truth, society is not going to accept you. You will be driven out from the society. Why society should do it? Kill him. Because obstinate fellow, antisocial. So if you go on asking why, unluckily enough, people will consider you as a, and all great persons have been taken as antisocial. The greatest fault of Socrates is he incessantly asked why. He has used what and how. But most of the questions of Socrates has become with why. You read Plato's dialogues, please read. Why don't you read Plato's dialogues? Some of them are as difficult as your modern logic. I have knocked my head against it and found still it is difficult. Cornford's book on Parmenides. See, Cornford. His book on Parmenides. Oh, I read it in my MA class. How hard it is. Socrates is arguing. Socrates finds a man, then asks him, argue. And the moment he argues, he is always using the word, why do you say so? Why do you say so? Then he gives some answer, and the answer he gives raises a speculative word, or it gives a threat if you do not accept. So the fact if you do not accept will kill you. So the what level, first level is dogmatism, which is common sense. And then when it is why, it becomes speculative word. Wonderful speculations. One such speculation is, I am sorry, I do not want to tell you what I said. Descartes said, matter and mind are different. Why? Matter and mind. Huh? Now, the moment you try to answer it, the whole history of philosophy, gamut of history of philosophy will run after you. That is speculation. Who has seen pure matter? Who has seen pure mind? Has anybody? But Descartes said, mind and matter are different. So, body and soul are different. Who has seen soul? And who has seen a body with a soul and without a soul? So, once you go on answering, the school of philosophy will be established. That is called speculative philosophy. In our Sankhya, they said Prakriti and Purusha are different. Many people have given hundreds of arguments that they are different. Why? For each question you ask why, and you shall see it is enlarging to vast speculation. Sankhya people have not sat idle. They are still fighting. That Prakriti and Purusha are two. Of course, he has never said in Sankhya that Purusha is man and Prakriti is a woman. No. There is no question of man and woman with Purusha and Prakriti. Later on, our ignorant people have identified Purusha. Purusha is man and Prakriti is woman. No, these are principles. No question of man and woman. Prakriti is one principle, Purusha is another principle. And they are different. This is Sankhya. And whole world till now point out that God and world are different. God is one thing, world is another. Man and woman are different. Panchaveda Prakriti-ta. There are 5 Vedas, 5 differences. And the basic difference is Purusha and Prakriti difference. Once you challenge with a why, you shall see how hard, as I think Sarath said, or Dr. Mohanty also said, it is very, very difficult to raise the question why. It is not that easy. To raise a philosophical question is to strike hard against the hard dogmatism of the society. The result may be very happy. But the philosophical kick or philosophical knock will break it one day. Somebody told me this morning over telephone. Then what should we do? Then I said, drop, if water falls on stone, it will make a hole. First drop will not make the hole. Drop, again drop, and ultimately will find a space has been located and it has become a hole. But the first drop did not make it. The second drop did not make it. But it ultimately became a hole. So if you go on hammering, even mild hammer, 20,000 hammering after you shall find that you have made a niche in the society's mind. Society will begin to think But those who do not use the word why and do not enter into philosophical discipline, they have a dogmatic slumber. So Kant said, Hume, wake me up from my dogmatic slumber. As Dr. Mohanty suggests me, wasp stings. Wasp stings. So your dogmatic slumber is broken. So philosopher is a wasp. It stings. And by that stinging, the society becomes alert, angry also. So dogmatism, when challenged, will come in the form of speculation. This is two levels of philosophy. Dogmatic state and speculative state. And it is such a strange thing, speculation will collide with the other speculation. Over the same dogmatism, there will be two speculation, and one speculation will collide with other speculation. Billiard ball, billiard ball. And it happened. Sankhya stood and Nyaya opposed. Sankhya said something, Nyaya opposed. Nyaya said, while you say that two things are different, cause and effect are different, how can you say Satkarjavad? You are saying cause and effect are different, and yet you are saying Satkaryavada. If two things are different, can they have the same matter? Yes. Sankhya said yes. Nyaya said no. Must be different. Now you have entered into a field where thoroughly you are in the class of dialectic. Here is rise of dialectic. Sankhya holds a school, Nyaya holds another. Sankhya says Purushas are many. That means difference are limited. But Prakriti is one. Nyaya asks why? What makes a Prakriti one? They give number of arguments. They give number of counter arguments. So they say, as Purushas are many, Prakritis are also many. Atomism. You see any magic. If you can show it in cinematographic from, now atomism. And they are reaching a stage where Leibniz reached, Vaisheshika. Vaisheshika reaches a stage where Leibniz has reached. Much before Leibniz, Empedocles reached in Greek philosophy. What is it? All complex, all one are made of differences. Empedocles said there are 4 types of atoms. Leibniz said is 1 type of atom. So atomism started. You have accepted that one thing is different from the other. Sankhya. Now it is rushing to all things are different from one another. Atomism came. And do you know, Bertrand Russell appreciated wholeheartedly Leibniz because he is also following atomism. Entire Bertrand Russell's effort is to establish atomism, and he is line with Leibniz, and the line is with Sankhya. So it is not Indian philosophy or Western philosophy, it is human beings in philosophy. ये बात नहीं कि we are in India, they are in Europe, somebody is in Arab, another in Japan. No, the same human beings are now laboring and wrestling about difference. So the difference between Purusha and Prakriti and difference between Purusha and Purusha now becomes difference between Purusha and Prakriti and Purusha's Prakritis. It is not man-woman. Every man is a Purusha Prakriti, every woman is a Purusha Prakriti. These are beginning elements. It is not sex determined. So you find atomism. Leibniz made it spiritual atomism. Why? He found some difficulty with material atomism. That is, he disagrees Vaisheshika. Vaisheshikas are pluralists, and another pluralist is our Leibniz. But Leibniz disagrees that all these are material atoms. Suddenly in science, materialism gained, pluralism gained ground. Atomism in science. First chemistry brought it. In chemical laboratories, it came out that the world is composed of atoms. So again back to this Leibnizian, Boisisigas, Empedocles, all this line, and Russell. What is this atomism? Chemistry people said, in our laboratory you have seen. What have you seen? That every matter is composed of atoms. So all the time it was gloriously said, philosophy agrees with science. Hey, philosophers felt they are dignified because we can go to the laboratory and prove, because chemistry has a laboratory. Physics took up. He said, what is atom? Why atom? Physics. Chemistry people were surprised. Arey, we saw atom. You have seen what are these atoms? These are whirling centers of energy, close to Leibniz. These are not physical atoms, these are spiritual atoms. What is the meaning of spirit? Non-matter. Please remember. Spiritualism means non-matter. Matter का कोई बात नहीं, spiritual. So, the material atoms were reduced to spiritual atoms by physics. So, people said, see demonstration in physics. Physics people are doing one thing, you are doing another. Why are you confusing the two, seeing they appear alike? They are doing something in their life. Thanks to them. We are doing something in our class. We don't have a laboratory. If it can be shown through laboratory, why can't you have a laboratory in Bani Vihar on philosophy class? You give a proposal to the Vice Chancellor that everybody has a laboratory and philosophy has no laboratory. Therefore, nobody is coming to this place. Others on laboratory. It will not decide. Even if you see, even if you test, it will not decide whether atoms are different or not. Physics said not different. It is also encircling energy. That is also encircling energy. How one is different from the other? So, chemistry people sit down together. Atom was blasted. And once you blasted the atom, great care has been taken. Infinite energy was released. So it was seen, every individual is extremely powerful to become anything. Swami Vivekananda's lecture in Chicago. We say we are finite people. We are born with limited intelligence. What can we do? This is simple, false view. You are an atom and you are a spiritual atom. Of course, about material atom is true. But once that material atom is proved to be by physics by spiritual atom, if you can release an energy, 300 buildings will be thrown into the air. This is Swami Vivekananda lecturing. He did not get it from chemistry or physics laboratory. He got it from Vedanta. Every individual is Brahman. So Vedanta supplied the force to Vivekananda, which he ought to have got from physics laboratory. But please remember, they are doing their job, we are doing our job. We cannot have a laboratory. No laboratory we can demonstrate that Purusha and Prakriti are different. Now the question is, if Purusha and Prakriti are not different, are they identical? If you translate in English, unless mind and body or thought and matter are identical, how can Purusha and Prakriti be identical? Look to Spinoza. Spinoza suggested, no, they are identical. After Descartes, Spinoza came. He said, in identical part they are called subject. Then different part they are called parjaya.
Modes.
No. Attributes. Modes and substance, in between there are attributes. So their attributes, their difference is attribute. Why? Spinoza argues. Mind is self-conscious. It not only acts but knows that it acts. Matter has no self-consciousness. ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ଆ ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଉଛି ସେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିପାରିବେନି। କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ କଦାପି ଓପନ୍ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେବେ ନାହିଁ, ତାଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ ଅଫେଣ୍ଡେଡ୍ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେବା ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ପାଇସାରିଛି। ଯଦି ନ ପାଇପାରିଲା ତାର ଭାଗ୍ୟ। So Spinoza said that mind is self-conscious, idea, but matter is not self-conscious. So can there be exact parallel between two attributes? One attribute is matter, the another attribute is mind, and mind is, every atom of mind is self-conscious. No, it is not only that we act, we know that we act, and it can be multiplied. I also know that I act. Infinity series will start. The moment you say, I know that you act, that's all right. But suppose you say, I know that I act, don't you know also that you know that you act? Where will you stop? So this leads to infinity and intensity of spiritual awareness, whereas matter has no such. Can there be parallel attributes? Yes or no? Tell me. କିଛି କହିବନି, ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ହେଉଥିଲି ଭଲ ଚା ଖାଇଛୁ, ଆରେ କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି। But can they be parallel? How can it be parallel? So now a trouble arises with Spinoza that attributes are not parallel. कौनसी हिस्ट्री ऑफ फिलोसफी बही एटा लिखा है कौन आपण हिस्ट्री ऑफ फिलोसफी पढ़ो आजिकल पढ़ा होनी सॉरी है आदित्य जी आजिकल पढ़ा होनी आजिकल पढ़ा तो हस्पस्त पढ़ाऊ थी ना नहीं कानी पढ़ा
वेस्टर्न मॉडर्न यूरोपियन अछि पढ़ा होय आधुन बही हम पिला पढुछन ओडिया बही आपण ओटे लेखनी तो सर सेट ओडिया रे
जा हो खुशी आपण कॉलेज कोड कहले मुझे मिछे ही नहीं गिरी
आपण जाइतले सर ओडिसा फिलोसफी कांग्रेस में आपण हमें रखिन तो खाबेनी मन
बहुत को
बीएन कॉलेज एथरे इनॉग्रेशन जाइतली व्यासनगर कॉलेज जाजपुर
ओ व्यासनगर कॉलेज हां मो साई कॉलेज मते मु आपण को भूली जाइछी एबे माने पकई मते नहीं रखै थिले बुझ परछटी से माने हेरे कर्ता मु कर्म एवं फल
नहीं आपण सारे फेरोक्रम गेस्ट हाउस
ओ मु बुझिली फेरोक्रम गेस्ट हाउस चाहा को आपण से काज करते मु कर देते
सिटी जे मैनेजर से करते सारंग छात्र आपण व्यस्त रहते हमें सब अरेंज करते
सारंग पे के किसी अरेंज करी पारंती नहीं बिकॉज़ ए लोग जानि ना दिके छाड़ so you come what hela that the attributes of Spinoza are not parallel. What has happened? One is intensive and other is extensive. Again the duality. Intensive. I know that I know that I know that I know that I acted. Can there be parallels the same thing with the material atom? So that is called intensive, this is called extensive. It occupies space. The whole European world was shocked. How to get out of this? Mind and body problem is also matter and spirit problem. The same problem with whose Sankhya is also struggling. Purusha, that is consciousness, cannot be matter, that is body. All the trouble of the West is also felt in India, and all the troubles of India also felt in India. Then what should be the relation? So now the question comes, what is the relation? Before asking the question, what should be the relation? Our first question is, what is the relation? Should you not raise this question? Suppose somebody says they are related. Before deciding whether they are related or not, you should decide what is the relation. Come up, what is the relation? Nayayikas came out. Sanyoga and Samabhaya. The relation is a Sanyoga and also Samabhaya. That is contingent relation and necessary relation. Two horns of the bull are Sanyoga, not Samabhaya. Because once you break the horn, the other horn will be there. But two horns of the dilemma is samavaya. If you take out one horn, the other horn vanishes. Don't you have no touch in the logic class? The whole knowledge should be with you, in your hand. Then alone you can play well. Otherwise you sink into the dogmatic slumber. This is philosophical exercise. As you say, war exercise. If you go on doing like this, all physicists will leave this class. Like that. It is more complicated than their atoms. What is relation? Now, relation are two types. Yes, Sanyoga and Samavaya. Who answers this? Nayayikas. We ask Nayayikas. These are two types of relation, we agree. But tell me what is a relation? Thousands and thousands pages has been written what is called relation. Simply I can put this way. Two terms related. Are they identical or different? No. Two terms are related. Terms, and term is any. I don't mean this and that. Terms are related. Tell me, are they identical or different?
Different.
Cannot be identical.
Different. I agree, different. Otherwise, they are different. How can they be related? He says, you said?
Identical.
Identical. He says, unless they are identical, how can they be related? Another? Somebody said. Very well said. Both. It is identical and different, otherwise how can they be related? Shankaracharya showed in no case they can be related. If they are identical, they cannot be related. If they are different, they cannot be related. If both, they cannot be related. If neither, the question of relation will not rise. Chatuskoti Shunyatam. All statements are based on Shunyata. So speculation is now passing to dialectic. So first step is dogmatism. Then comes to speculation. Of course, in speculation there is a stage also about analysis. Unless you are critically analyzing, then dogma will pursue. So analysis school has done a great service to us. We can put them just speculation and by the side of speculation. And when that is intensified, it becomes direct. Cause and effect. Are they identical? You should say yes. You should say no. They should say both. Somebody will say neither. Then what is causation? So entire causation is a fiasco. It is a mental construction. Mental construction gives you the objective presentation, that is illusion. What have you mentally construed appears before you. You have thought there is a ghost and the ghost stands before you. Is it illusion or not? It so happens. You have brought causation with the idea that they are identical, cause and effect are identical. They have brought causation with the idea that they are different, but both have brought causation. The other party says it is both. They have also brought causation. And some people say neither. They have also brought causation. You agree in one point. Causation is there. And this is illusion. Why illusion? Because it is a mental construction which is brought out as an object. When mental construction comes to the object, becomes an object, that is illusion. Now we are pushing through dialectic. Just I gave a joke, jokingly. You really can't carefully. Kant says, if causation can be tested this way and fails, all other categories will fail. Because causation contains all categories. That I brought out in my paper, my book, but nobody named them in the others. That this category, in causation, all other categories are included. So if you break the law of causality, then all other categories will be destroyed. Separate atom will not be taken. And then what happens? Everything is mental construction. Vijnanavad. But you take it to be objective. Go to the science laboratory. They will say, whatever you say are mental construction. There is no hostel, there is no professor, there is no Vani Vihar, there is no earth. There is only electrical vibration. Suppose you sit in the cinema hall. I told you third dimension. Forget it? No. So you sit in the cinema and you see a handsome young man comes. Where is that handsome young man? It is his electronic device. He is talking, speaking. Yesterday I was sitting, my younger brother was sitting, he retired also. A lecture he is giving and that is projected there. I look to that and look to him. I look to that and look to him. And I felt he is he and he is he. You do it. The man is lecturing. The man is sitting by my side. He is my younger brother. So we are sitting together. I look, that is talking. Then I look, he is sitting. I still look, talking. And if you go on doing like this, you shall see he is neither talking nor sitting. So ultimately you come. All linguistic forms are illusion. ଆପଣ ପଢ଼ିଲେଣି ମାୟାରେ ଅଥଚ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ମାୟାର ଦ୍ରଷ୍ଟା ଯାଉନା ଦ୍ରଷ୍ଟା କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଦ୍ରଷ୍ଟା ଭାଇ ଏଠି ବସିছে ପିକ୍ଚର ସେଠି ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଅନଉଛି ସେଠି ଏଠି ଅନଉଛି ସେଠି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଅନେଇବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନା ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏମିତି ଅନେଇକିରି ବସିବେ ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି ୟୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ୟୁର ଆଟେନ୍ସନ୍ ଆଇ ଡିଡ୍ ଇଟ୍ knowing it and I found my brother is there and my brother is here, my brother is there and my brother is here, and you look at the basis, physics basis. That is also electrical performance, this is also electrical performance. Suppose I put my right hand on my left hand. Which is the right hand and which is the left hand? Ask physics people. There is no right hand, there is no left hand, it is only a mathematical equation. Go and ask them, read with them, sit with them, ask them. It's all mathematical equation. That we are, our property, our wealth. Everything, every relation is a mathematical equation. But how realistically you stick to it? And the whole world is a vast energy pool where all of us, suppose I put my hand over table and what I say, it is a hard substance, my hand does not go inside the table. Where is table, where is your hand? It is a set of mathematical equations, that is a set of mathematical equations. Two types of synthetically mathematical equations, we give you another called solid. Ask mathematicians, ask physicians. So what is the nature of this world? Tusrim Babua, be quiet. If you show off, you will be in this speculative world. So first is dogmatic, the second is speculative, third is dialectical, in between analysis, and then you arrive at questioning, you realize what it is. ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼େ ପିଲା ବସିଛନ୍ତି ବା ମାଷ୍ଟର ବସିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ କେହି ନୁହନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା କିଛି ଆରେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆମେ ପିକ୍ଚର କରିବା ଏଥିରେ କେଉଁଥିରେ ସିନେମାରେ କରିବା ଆପଣ ବସି ଦେଖିବେ ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ସିନେମାରେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଆକ୍ଟିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ବସିକିରି ସିଟ୍ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି ସେ ସିନେମାରେ ଖୁସି ଖାଆନ୍ତି ପିଅନ୍ତି ବସି ଦେଖନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଦେଖୁ ଦେଖୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଅବସ୍ଥା କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ଜାଣିଛ ନା ସେ ସେଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି କି ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି ଜାଣିପାରନ୍ତିନି ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତମେ ବସନ୍ତିନି ଖୁସିରେ ଦେଖୁନ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନିଜର ଲେକ୍ଚର ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁଥିବେ ଆଡ଼ୁ ସବୁ କହୁନଥିବେ ହଠାତ୍ ଆପଣ ଫିଲିଂ ହେବ ମୁଁ ଇଏ ନା ବସି ମୁଁ ଇଏ ନା ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଯାହା ସେଠି ସେୟା ସେଠି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ୍ସ ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ୍ସ ଖାଲି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ନାହିଁ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ନହେଲେ ପଚାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜି ହଁ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଥିଲା କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲା ନା ଏ କେଉଁ କାଳ ପାଠ କହୁଛେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଉଠିଗଲାଣି ମୋର କିଛି ଉଠିଯାଏ ଆମ ଫିଲୋସଫିରେ ଅଛି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଏଭଳି ଆରାଇଭ୍ ହିୟର୍ ମୁଁ ତ ଖାଲି ସାଂଖ୍ୟର ଡୁଆଲିଜିମ୍ଟାକୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରି ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲି ଆଉ ଏଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲି ନା ଜମ୍ପ କରିକି ରହିଲି ସେଇ କଥାକୁ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିକାଲ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି କରୁ ଏଠି ସୋ ଆପଣ ହୋଲ୍ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ମିଷ୍ଟିରିୟସ୍ ଏଗେନ୍ ମିଷ୍ଟିରିୟମ୍ ଟ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଡମ୍ ରିଲିଜନକୁ ବାଟ ଅଛି ସାଇନ୍ସ କି ବାଟ ଅଛି ଏବଂ ଫିଲୋସଫି କି ବାଟ ଅଛି ସମାଧି ସ୍ତସ୍ୟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ଏହି ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି ଆମେ ଇନ୍ ବେଦାନ୍ତ ଇଟ୍ ହାଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ସେଡ୍ that the whole world is something which is nothing. World is something, dogmatic level. Then you go on explaining what something it is, speculative level. Then critically you analyze by analysis school, you critically analyze, then dialectically analyze, and in the end of the dialectic you shall see it is nothing. The world is something, the world is something, and it is contradictory paradox. So whole life is paradox. This is philosophical adventure for 15 minutes. And if you make this adventure throughout your life, I do not know what gain, what loss. Surely the highest truth and the greatest value will be realized by you. Vidyante hridaya granthi chidyante sarva sansaya khiyante sarva karmani. All karmic bandhan will be cancelled. This is Vedantic claim. You have to show it, not that you cite the shloka and do it. Kaho, kaun hala ki na hala ki, bujhela ki na hala. କୋଉଠୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଛି? ସାଂଖ୍ୟ ଡୁଆଲିଜିମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ପୁରୁଷ କେବଳ ଏ ଡୁଆଲିଟିରୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଛି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଟେକ୍ସଟ ଉପରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଇଫ୍ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ଡୁଆଲିଟି ହାଉ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ପୁରୁଷ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରକୃତି should come to contact? Cannot. They must be one type. If they are identical, as you said, why they should come into contact? They are always there. If they are not different, only identical, then what is the meaning of contact? You do not say, I come into my contact. You say, my hand comes contact the other hand. But you cannot say, I am coming into contact myself. So why can you one? But if not one, two, how can they come to contact? Because it is my hand, therefore I am come to contact. Because it is my hand, that is my hand. Materially same. So this way you can also develop. Not a day, but day and night and day and night, this thought will go on, and whatever change will take place, that is the ultimate truth and the ultimate truth. No science can bring us to this level. So, do you feel that philosophy is a justifiable act? Suppose some people will say, he is the administrator, and you are administrated. See, administrator, I am administered. Frustrated, he is administrator, I am administrator. You know all differences are false. Mental construction. What is that? The distinction which political science and other sciences has. These are mental creation. You have created that relation. There is no such relation like that. Administered and administer. Because again I will ask the question, how are they related? So political science people roar. Don't roar. Tell me in this line, if once it is proved that difference is not a category, how can you say that there is a different category? You can prove that difference is a category. This is what Nagarjuna did. This is what Shankar did. Be comfortably quiet. हाँ sir. दूधी गोटे पहुँचे आउरी अच्छी समझ कहना किसी कह
मुझे से क्वेश्चन गोटे पचार साइंस जो मैंने पढ़ुं आम साइंटिस्ट मैंने कहूँ से गोटे आम फिल कर गोटे गर्व कर डिस्कवर समथिंग न्यू साइंटिस्ट जो साइंस पढ़ते feel that they discovered something new, and we people philosophers we only analyzing. So I think have they discovered anything new that is not really existing in this world?
See, they discover something which is in this world now. So how they world?
Can they discover and invent anything that does not really exist in this world or in this universe?
ସେମାନେ ଯାହା ଡିସ୍କଭରି କରନ୍ତି କିଏ ବୈଜ୍ଞାନିକ ମାନେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା କି ଜଗତରେ ଥାଏ ନା ନାହିଁ ନା ଆଉ କେଉଁ ଜଗତରୁ ଆଣନ୍ତି
ଆମେ ତ ସାର୍ ଶବ୍ଦଟି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଛୁ ଯେ
ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ମାନେ ନଥିଲା ହେଲା ଡିସ୍କଭର ମାନେ ଥିଲା ଦେଖିଲ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣ ଯେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦଟା ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଧରିବି ନା ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଥମେ କହିଲେ ଡିସ୍କଭରି ତା ମାନେ ଥିଲା ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ହଉ କ'ଣ ଆପଣ ଇନଭେଣ୍ଟ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଫ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ନୁହଁ ଟିକିଏ ସତ ଯାହାର ପୁରା ଥିବ ସେ ଗାଁରେ ଏଇଟା ଆମ ଗାଁ ଖବର ନା ଆମେ କ'ଣ ନୂଆ କହୁଛେ ମାରିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଦଣ୍ଡବତ ଠୋ କରି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ କରିକି ତା କ'ଣ ଟୁକୁଡ଼ା ଟୁକୁଡ଼ା ହେଇକି ଚାରିରେ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏ ଧଇଲା ଦେଖ ଆମ ହାଣ୍ଡି ଦେ କି ହାଣ୍ଡି ତୁ ବଞ୍ଚିଗଲୁ ତତେ ଯଦି ମାରି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ନା ନମସ୍କାର ତୁ ବି ଯାଇଥିବୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ବଟ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ୟୁ ସେ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ absurd standard କାମ ପଚାର ପ୍ରଫେସରକୁ এইটা absurd এটা pseudo ୟାକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବ ତା ଅର୍ଥଟା କ'ଣ ତ ଏବଂ ୟାକୁ ଫିଟ୍ କର ଖାଲି ପାଟିରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗାଳି ଦେବ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ସୋ ବେଦାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଏମିତି ସେ ଚଳନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ହଁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଛୁ ମାନେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଛି ସବୁ ଶୁଣ ମୋତେ କିଛି ସେ ଘଟଣା ଜଣାପଡ଼େ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ମୁଁ ତ ଆଉ କେଉଁ କାମରେ ନଥାଏ ଏଇ କାମ ହୀରା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ वर्ल्ड जे हीरारे प्रसिद्ध तिरुपतिंगर स्पेशलिस्ट आसते जगन्नाथ हीरा गुड़ाक टेस्ट करेंगे कौन करेंगे आम तो से घर भर पूरी दिहला देखिए एड़ी हीराटे थुआई सी मैंने देख ना ये जगन्नाथ मन कौन है ना बेले बेले जगन्नाथ की नाम आमर पुरी वाला जाक भावती जगन्नाथ साथ प्रतिदिन कथबार्ता होती ये आप बुझे ताकि पंडा गुड़ाक से जमी कथबार्ता करेंगे आप जगन्नाथ साथ कथबार्ता से कहला काकुड़ी खाइब बोली मुझे काकुड़ी देली ये एक नंबर डहरा तुम से डहरा पकड़ तुम सेक्रेटेरिएट गलनी आहरी जड़े डहरा शुणी था ये सब जगतटा डहरा जगत ये जी आसो शुण कह डहरा दले बस सी कौन कहूँ ये पुणी हसुंट कहते खाइबा मीठा ये सब डहरा कहीकि जीव ना नहीं बी रेसनाल अरे भाई आम तो रेसनाल हो पहुँचु तू कौ रेसनाली चाहूँ सागर पुणी दिन भेट आम देखा तू पुणी आम द्वारा कहीं फैंटास्टिक कथा जोटा मुझे तीन टा लेक्चर बुझेली एक्सपीरियंस एंड लैंग्वेज ये ऑटोनोमस हो गला पर आउ किए फैंटास्टिक किए भल जान से कहले आप जगन्नाथ निश्चय ब्रह्म ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
ये खुशी यस आम तो जानी ब्रह्म बोली तुम आम कौन डिस्कवर देखा ये जानी ब्रह्म ब्रह्म बही कहीं ये पुणी भाई पचार से ना या थोब से दिख नहीं पड़े ये हीरा ताकू जदि क्या मुंड पर थोब ता मुंड ठोकी आस क्या मुंडे थोब सब समझ अच्छा आम मुंडे कहीं ट्राए कर मुंडे ट्राए कर जगन्नाथ मुंडे से कहला चलो हीरा को घिन गए इमान डरिक दूर एक्सप्लोजन केते दूर जीव अच्छा आप रसर बोधे हसन तो रसबोध कौन हम मिथ्या कथा ना रसबोध हम सत कथा ये आज छाड़ से आउ गोटे पाठ लांगुएज से भी कौन कले ना मैंने देवल बाहर को गले जगन्नाथ बस निरालंब पुरुष छुड़ा निजे लंब पड़ा मुझे प्रत्यक्ष ब्रह्म का आगे पड़गली ये मैंने तापर से पड़गले पूर्व नु कौन एथु टेस्ट है कौन बाहर आई डोंट नो बट इज इट नॉट एंजॉयबल तो दरकार आप किसी ना घरे बही हसन ये कौन तुम रही बर्तमान ब्रह्म देखु तो क्या देखुच मुझे तुम्हें से ये चा से कप से ये टेबल से अच्छा ये फिजिक्स वाक्य ना खाली फिल्म वाक्य सो वी आर नॉट इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ फैंटेसी बट वी आर टॉकिंग ए लैंग्वेज व्हिच इज हिस्टोरिकल सत नहीं सीधा आम एक्सपीरियंस संगे एक्सपीरियंस एंड लैंग्वेज सो दिस इज फिलॉसफी yesterday it was religion पूर्व दिन science my work has been done
सर जहाँ पढ़े सार 5 मिनट
कौन
5 मिनट ओनली 5 मिनट सर प्लीज इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड
मु तो कहूँ सेमती कहूँ मुझे रात जाइए बसती तो कौन अच्छी कम ମୋ କାମ ଯାକ ସିଏ କରନ୍ତି।
Synopsis
all
of
that
highlights.
I can do, very difficult to synopsize. I have made a synopsis for you.
Thank
So yesterday, whatever he said, I have made a synopsis for you. So I can give it tomorrow. I went and gave a dictation to my. I have not made it philosophy religion. For me, these are great ideas. Great ideas, Professor Vedant. Beyond knowledge, I am reading out. This also I can do. Beyond knowledge, there is the vast arena of unknown or non-knowledge. This awareness, when you know that what you know is much less than what you do not know, but you can know, it generates humility. Vidya dadati vinayam. I was taking notes now. I just in the evening age. Aesthetics and religion belong to the domain of non-knowledge. What one worships is not important. That one worships, or the fact that one worships is more significant. There are 4 fundamental tendencies in man: to work, to play, to love, to pray. What does love mean? Concern. If you are concerned for somebody, it is an indicator of your love. Suppose there is a mongoose, we gave examples, I have just put up. Pray. Whom we pray, the deity you pray is not important. That you pray is important. And we pray unwittingly. You go to a remote jungle or forest, you will find that they worship trees, somebody worships fellows. So, religion is denotes the character of human psyche. When every action is charged with cognition, volition and affection. Connection पहले होगा.
Emotion. Affection है emotion.
What we worship is a deity.
What we worship is a deity.
The nature of deity is irrelevant. तारिणी ही पारन, जगन्नाथ ही पारन, जी ही पारन. अरे शालग्राम भी पारन. So in worship there are 3 factors: upasaka, upasya, and upasana. And what is important is upasana, not the nature of the upasya. Upasana is important. It says that the religion has all these 3 elements: cognition, volition, and feeling or affection. Now, what is the cognition? The religious experience about which we are talking today. Unless you are, that also hinted in the previous slide. Unless you have religious experience, religious language doesn't become meaningful. So, language has also emotive content. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mere smile was enough
Mere smile.
to transport you to ecstasy, or ecstatic stance. Trunikuto Jagat Sarvam, Rajato Sakala, Harinama, Kevalam. What about volition? Cognition regula, experience, feeling regula. Will recognize now religious volition is expressed through powerful will. If somebody is wedded to religion, he leaves behind a history of religion, who witness long trail of philanthropic works.
विश्व ପାଇଁ कर्म.
See connection कहले, the sea has many questions, roaring and roaring every now and then.
समुद्र.
But mountain has one answer, that is silence. Silence कथा कहले, सारे कथा कहले. Therefore, there are different stages of expression of.
रवींद्रनाथ କହିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ. रवींद्रनाथ
Therefore, there are different stages of expression of religious experience. What is a literal stage, what is a mimetic, what is a symptomatic, what is a symbolic, and above symbolic, there is silence. And your deity is expressed in all these levels: literal level, mimetic level, symptomatic level. I would have super profound katala. Religious experience and language must be available before you ask religious questions and appreciate such questions. जहाँ religious experience पर language नहीं, से religious question और logic बुझी पर appreciate कर परिवो नहीं, कि प्रश्न पचारी परिवो नहीं. Very crucial, very central to our discussion. If there are discoveries in science, they don't affect religion. But science discovery हेले religious truth से को unseat कर परिवो नहीं, बस stultify कर परिवो नहीं. Nor can a religious conviction try to disprove the findings of science. So they have no truck with each other, nor have they in conflict. They are independent, autonomous domains. जोड़ा से autonomy का था जी बुझे ले. God is one who says that God is above or God is different from me, and different from every other that exists. They are deists. Deism. One who says that God is present everywhere, they are pantheists. Higher than deism is pantheism, and higher than pantheism. But if God is everywhere, God is the totality of the universe, the totality is a finite. So if you equate God with the universe, then God will also be finite. Is God? Yes, God is everything, but is it that only? No, it's still beyond. Sir, हमको ये लॉजिक प्रकार कही रसगोल्लाटा ये सिराटा रसगोल्ला कौटी अच्छे ता भितर अच्छे ना बाहर अच्छे ता भितर अच्छे that is immanent and transcendent, higher than is pantheism.
अच्छा मैं ये उनकी मूर्ख कथा उड़ा पढ़ूं
The higher than pantheism is silence. Then he went to yoga. What are the practical ways? Ashtanga yoga. To Yama and Niyama means discipline. What is asana? Asana kotha bujhana बहुत important kotha कहले जे your posture determines your emotion and thought. James Lange theory. सारा बहुत ही नोट कर नहीं थी संदर्भ में स्टेनो आसे मुझे लोग से नोट मूड आसला मुझे सारा कथा बड़े को ग्रेट आइडियाज बोले कहीं कि प्रिजर्व करता है मोर कंप्यूटर सोच सर जो आगे कही चलती तेरा सब प्रिजर्व कर रखी था ग्रेट आइडियाज अच्छा तापर कहले सर तले आसन कौन ना पर्टिकुलर आसन पोस्चर स्थिर सुखम आसन जो पोस्चर यू आर कंफर्टेबली poised, that is asana. Then he talked about Otto. He said that one who is not capable of the religious experience, that is numinous feeling will go to is not religious. So religious however what kata language karipara na paro, you must be rooted in, you must be encouraged in that numinous experience which is qualitatively different from sensuous experience. Correct? The numinous to realize केमती करिवो ना luminous जो experience है मोड realize करिवो सेटला mysterium tremendum तर ऑटो निराद कथा कहले এবং गीतार सेटा केमती देखाई विश्व दर्शन में सेटा कथा कहले one text in the world which portrays mysterium tremendum ये पाइथिला से कहला नहीं माने मारी देला तो देखला विवस्त दोष नागसिर पकई देला से पचरा कहले मां मते से पागल हो गेला
कहीं मां जन्म दी
बिके पैथोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर mysterium tremendum man something which baffles human mind
something at once become nothing
everything becomes nothing এটা হচ্ছে
স্যার
আজির স্যার যে কইলে বেসিক দুইটা জিনিস কইলে what is the difference between information knowledge and wisdom information means you just know things tidbits but when you relate them through law of causality and uniformity that graduates itself to the level of knowledge. But when you ask knowledge, so what?
अच्छा ठीक है
What if?
एरो ठीक है इंटरव्यू करी मो मते ग्रेजुएट शब्द आज जे व्यवहार करी आसे देख कि व्यवहार होची ग्रेजुएट इटसेल्फ पावरी मु किबे जीवन रे कहली इंग्लिश रे केते कमांड से कमांड ग्रेजुएट्स मु कोनटे कहि दिबी ना ग्रेजुएट मत कहि
so this knowledge information knowledge and wisdom how does it affect you more so what if प्रश्न पचारिबो how it is significant जेतेबेले सेटा हम देखिबा that means that when it percolates to the level of experience सेटा that becomes wisdom. Then sir he talked about theory of types how many fairies can dance on this fairy तो गोटे कैटेगरी ये तो गोटे कैटेगरी जो कथा सर तापरे
मु कहने म आपण माने कहिले
then he makes a distinction between psychological value and authentic value. Then he talked about different movements of philosophy. First is dogmatism. You take something for granted, which is a common sense. We presume things to be that, what it is. We never wake up to ask question why. The moment you ask question why, it is a wasp-like philosopher who gives a sting. That is why, in Plato's dialogues, somebody says Socrates, don't do like this, it will offend people's sentiment, you will misunderstood. That is why philosophers down the centuries are misunderstood because he is a political science and the why pachari he will be killed or he will be finished. Now why? Because it questions your received beliefs, opinions, settled doctrines, our comfortable fond beliefs and opinions. When that is questioned, you feel your very existence is at stake. So why question Pachar? But it is not everyone's cup of tea. It is philosopher's cup of tea because he rises himself above the first order inquiry. He says that it is one thing to act and quite different to understand why I act. He says how and what. They are relatively innocuous, harmless, innocent. But if you ask a why question, it strikes at the root. And here in philosophy, asking questions is more significant than giving answers. Then he says that when you try to
ମୁଁ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପାର୍ଟଟା କହିନି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି କହିଥିଲି ଏଠି significant.
significant. Now he says that dogmatism will elevate. ଆମେ why ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେଠି ଆସିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ why ଟାକୁ ଆନ୍ସର କରିବା ଗୋଟେ particular willingly will lead to a domain of speculation. So speculation is built into the nature of the why. Rational temper ଭିତରେ ସେଟା embedded ହେଇକି ଅଛି. ଯେତେବେଳେ speculation ହେବ they will collide. One speculation will collide with another. এই କଣ୍ଟେକ୍ସରେ ସାର୍ ସାଂଖ୍ୟରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ବୈଶେଷିକରୁ ଯାଇ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଯାଇ ରସେଲରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ କେମିତି ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ଲିଙ୍କେଜଟା ଆକ୍ରସ୍ ଦି ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ